Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select storage and data settings on the WhatsApp business application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option. After that, scroll down till you find the storage and data section and tap on it. Here you can manage your storage. So here you can see storage information. If you go back, you can check out your network usage. Here are the messages such as sent, received, bytes sent, bytes received. There is the chat media information, status media information, WhatsApp calls, total bytes. And if you want to reset statistics, tap on the reset button and then click on reset statistics. If you go back, you can turn on this use less data for calls option by tapping on it. If you scroll down, you have this last option, media auto download. Here you can select the photos such as Wi-Fi and cellular, and also audio, video and documents. So as you can see, the voice messages are always automatically downloaded, and in these cases you can select from these listed options. Here you can choose the quality of media files to be sent by clicking on the media upload quality down below. Here you should select from these three options: auto, meaning that it's recommended, best quality, and data saver function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.